Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this 4K quality video on CapCut PC. So I have this video right here. Going to then copy and paste that, go to the adjustments tab, and you are going to select the color curves. You're going to do the same exact thing that I'm doing, just place the left at the top and the right, whoopsies, and the right to the bottom. I can just move that, and again do it to all of the colors. Okay, go back to video, go to the blend mode and select either color burn or linear burn. I think I'm gonna go with the linear burn, I think. Yeah, I'll go with the linear burn one. And then I'm going to go to library as well, and I'm going to add in a white stock video. Let's just freeze frame this first. I'm also going to add in a black stock video on top, again, freeze frame it. Select mask and select horizontal, and you're going to just go like that and create a gradient and place this down there. Make sure the size of it is a little bit bigger. I'm just going to select this, and I'm going to create compound clip, and I'm going to select blend mode, and I'm going to select overlay. Then I'm going to select this video right here, go to adjustments, go back to basic, and you're going to adjust the, did I do overlay? Why is it? Okay, let's go back here and adjust the opacity a little bit. And go back here to the first video, go to adjustments, and you're going to want to adjust the contrast here a little, and the saturation, as well as highlights and shadows, but make sure you enable sharpen, and if you want clarity, but I don't like to add it that much. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!